Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a tutorial on how to reset your oil levels on your 2019 Honda Accord. You'll want to turn on your vehicle. Menu will come up. Okay, there'll be two buttons we'll be using. We'll be using the home button here and this to scroll here, and you're also going to be using that to press OK. Now to get to your oil levels, you'll press home. You're going to scroll to maintenance, press on the scroll, you'll see your oil life there. In this case, we're not going to be resetting it because it still has 40% oil life. But if you guys have any questions on this specific vehicle, be sure to leave it in the comments section below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.